Okay, people. To make cat poop, well, or you can make it dog poop, but
whichever one.
Whichever one. It works fine. We're not. You can use different ingredients, but the other thing is, what's the other thing? We're not
really taking it out.
The you do is you get chocolate syrup and peanut butter and a bowl.
Like,
see this bowl? It's really yummy. Okay. Then you warm the peanut butter up because it's kind of stiff.
For about 20
Stir
seconds.
it all around. Yeah, 20 seconds. Or a little longer. 25 because it didn't really get too much. And you stir it. And then you put the syrup in. And then
you stir it up. And you
then
mix
it looks
together.
like this.
Looks like this.
Yep, that's delicious.
Yum.
Yummy cat poop or dog poop. Now squeeze it for us, Katie.
Okay.
It looks like cat poop.
Yum.
It's yummy.
Doesn't that sure look like cat shit?
Yeah.
I call the bowl.
You can have the bowl. No, I want no. Okay. And so are you done?
Yeah. And that's how you make cat poop. Very yummy. Comment